how to make survey chatbot with Landbot. So first, go to Landbot and then just click on bot builder here at the top left, and then just click on build the chatbot here at the top right. Then after that, you can choose any of the options here that you want to use. So let's say I want to use the web option here, and then choose among the 3 options here as well. You can choose build it for me, start from scratch, or just use a template. So since using a template is easier, we'll just do that. And then since we want to use do a survey bot, you can just see if there's any survey template here, this one, and then just click on use this. And there you go. Now you have a survey chatbot. So if you want to customize it, you can do that as well. You can add blocks using the plus icon here. Then you can design it using here, this one, the option here as well. You can design the looks. You can select the templates here, design template. If you don't want the green here, you can just click on translucent here, so you can see. And then if you want playful here, playful pattern, you can do that as well. And then if you're satisfied with this, you can just click on apply. And then you can also design or customize any of the options here using on any of the options here. So let's say you're done, and then you can just open up. Okay, now once you're done doing customizing all of this, you can just click on test this bot if you want to test it out, and then you can just click on publish and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.